Welcome back to Learning with the Difference. News headlines in English for 21st April. First of all, national news. India to soon introduce Ayush mark for authentic products. Ayush visa soon for those seeking traditional treatments in India. PM Modi. No plan to impose fine for not wearing mask in Delhi. Manish Sisodia, he said there is no need to panic. President has given his assent to bill unifying Delhi's three municipal corporations. As the filmmaker announced the Delhi files, Maharashtra Sikh Association said filmmakers should desist from disturbing the uneasy calm in society. Senior IAS officer Naresh Kumar has been appointed as the Chief Secretary of Delhi, a Home Ministry order issued. Jio tops Airtel becomes second largest fixed line service provider in India. TRAI. And now some international news. The BA2 subvariant of Omicron still is the dominant strain in the United States. The International Monetary Fund on Wednesday asked crisis hit Sri Lanka to restructure debt before bailout. Japanese electronics giant Toshiba Corporation stopped accepting new orders, investment in Russia. I am done talking, former American TV analyst Malcolm Nance joined fight in Ukraine. Taiwan TV station mistakenly reported China attack, apologized. And now some sports news. IPL 2022, second Delhi Capitals player test positive, cloud over tie versus Punjab on Wednesday. Wimbledon ban on Russian players would be unacceptable, Kremlin. English pacers James Anderson, Stuart, brought available for selection in county championship. Andy Murray reverses decision to skip clay to enter Madrid Open. Now let's have a look on tomorrow's weather. The weather on 21st April in India will be very hot with temperatures reaching 37 degrees Celsius. During the evening and night time, the temperatures will drop to 27 degrees Celsius. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.